What's going on, guys? So we got some talking to do. I just uploaded a video about a few hours ago. It's okay, but some more. Okay, so we need to talk about some stuff. One, these are all the games. How do I get this chat out of my face? Okay, I don't care. So, these are the games I played recently in just like a month ratio. I don't know why I haven't playing this game, but I mean I saw my friend playing it. It's like, come on, okay, yeah, we're just gonna. Well, first off, we're gonna do a friend request of the week, not day anymore, during the week. So we have a lot more friend requests. So these are all fan members, of course. I'm not gonna some random people I don't know. So these are all fan members. We can go more pages back. So it's 3 pages long. We're gonna do each page each. So looking away. 3, 2, 1. Not even it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Where's my mouse at? Oh. We got Nintendo 2016 eHand 2011. Okay. There you go, my friend. Okay. So we are going back. Where did everyone else go? Okay. Now we're on to the next page. 3, 2, 1. Panquisto. Joe. Toxic Flash. Nah. And this person, I need to accept because they are my in real life friends and I forgot to accept them. So, okay, last page. That's a pretty short page. So, okay. Alright, we got McDonald's boy. Okay. Alright. Let's go back onto my home page. Okay. Oof, there's a lot of people playing. Wow. Okay, my whole page is full. Murder Mystery, SpongeBob Roleplay, Arsenal, Block Bears, Revamp Greenville, Tower Defense Simulator. Where's the baby? Oh my gosh, we have to play that. I love that game. The waiting line would take like 10 years. I don't know. We are. Okay. There is a lot of people that are playing games right now. How much pages? Holy crap. Okay, okay, I think that's it, right? We're good, right? No, I doubt me. Okay, whew. Got that out of the way. But yeah. We're gonna reset this camp. Okay, we're gonna reset. Okay, he's off. Where's the baby? Alright. We're gonna join my boy Jackson 5-ish Tower Defense Sim. So this is what it looks like when I started up Roblox. Alright, this is all my other stuff. Need that past Roblox stuff. And I should be in the game. Sweet! Where's he at? Where's he at? In the game anymore. He's not even in the mother game. Look, we're gonna, yeah, see. Wait, we're gonna reset this one more time. Let's see what happens. It doesn't look like he's gonna be on. Can it load any faster? Okay, there we go. Game's loading in. That was no. Okay, it looks like he says he's playing. Okay, what is happening? Sure. Okay, I can't find him in the game. Holy goodness, it's loud. Cool, what is this game? And there goes a firework. Yeah, we're not good yet. So what we're about to do is we're about to pick a random game, and whatever we get is what we're playing. 3, 2, 1. Okay, what is it? Imposter beta. 40,000 players are playing. Okay, now this just looks like Among Us. Let's be honest. Let's just see what this is about. Holy crap! That scared the crap out of me. What in the... Your game will begin in 25 seconds. Okay, let's just be honest. That noise when you're running across the scraping metal. Okay, I don't want to see any more of this. Thank you. Shop. Never gonna buy anything. Look, it's Mouse Boy. Whatever happened to Mickey Mouse? Oh wait, we just found him. Okay, game will begin in right now. All right. Oh, I'm an imposter. Let's go. First round and we're an imposter. Yo, I told you we're too good. We're too juicy, guys. Come on. You are an imposter. Kill the innocent players. Use lies. Okay, why am I crouching? I don't want to crouch. There we go. Don't get caught. Keep your story straight. Use vents to quick navigate around the map, sabotage equipment, and maximize success. Tap anywhere to close. Alright? Okay. How do I kill people? That's the same. Okay, this game is really weird. Okay. This is weird. Bruh. Spelled weird. Okay, some people actually got voted. Okay, can we just please get off with this? Okay, okay, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, roblox 9594. Okay, whatever, was voted off. Innocent. 2 imposters remain. Okay. I will be getting some real imposters play coming soon. Don't hurt me. Okay, so I just need to tap them to kill. These people are camping. That's weird. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A lot of people I can kill right now. Dude, seriously. So, one of the imposters got voted off. Obviously, I'm alive. Cause I'm. Okay. This is just scary. Come on. Killed him! I killed him! Oh my god, I feel so ashamed. I feel so ashamed. I feel so ashamed. What have I become? A good boy. Yeah! Okay. No need to do. God, I'm an astronaut. I look so cool. Okay. yet nobody has found the body. Surprising. Okay. Yeet. Guys, I've only killed one person and the body's right there. I just keep losing my mind. Oh god, this is a bad game. And I'm alive. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll vote for myself, actually. How about that? I voted for myself. Huh? Yeah. At least I went out with honor. I just keep losing my mind. Yeah. Ever. Alright, that is going to be all for today's video. I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.